What's up, fellas? Mobe 876 RC signing back on. Today is going to be a good day. I finally got my boy to get an RC car for the first time, and he picked up an Arrma Talion. Pulling up to the park now. He following behind me, so let's see how he drive today. It's about 45 degrees out with a little bit of haze in the sky, but we still going to get it in, so stay tuned. All right, fellas, we at the park. I got my boy, like I said, I finally got him to pick up an RC car for the first time. He got the Talion, got the kids out, and then here go my Creighton right there, ready to go. And we're gonna be running right here in this field. Nah, that's a different one right there. And we about to be running in this field, and he already ready to go. So let me get this thing strapped on my head and get my Creighton on. And we about to see how he run this thing. This is official run right here. All right, fellas, we got the Creighton over there, and we got the Talion, and I'm giving them a head start. We about to get a little race in. Here we go. Go. Hold on. Got me. Go. Go. Both running on 6S. He got me. He got me. You a cheater, bro. All right. All right, turn around. Come on. Run it back.
Turn over.
Oh, you flipped over? Got him. He out here trying to cheat on me, man. I'm still flexing on him with the Creighton. Like I said, we both running on 6S. He running on 5,000 milliamp HRBs, and I got the Wamfi's 5,000 milliamp. This truck is all stock, minus a cooling fan on there, and I got an RPM front bumper. So I'm gonna stop this video until he get flipped back over. Got my boy out here with his Talion for the first time. See if he can jump it. That was a nice clean jump. That was a good one, bro. That was a good one right there. Try to run it back. See if he can run it back. He missed that one. Go back further if you ain't scared, man. See what you can do. Y'all hope y'all heard that. He said he ain't scared because he know if you break it, I can fix it back for him. He new to the hobby. Oh, you missed that jump. Try to line it up and launch it. Ready? Go. Oh, man. Straight rookie. Straight rookie. There you go. There you go. Let's see if he can land it. Oh, man. You out here like Stevie Wonder, man. Gun it. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. Watch out for the DB Pro. Go ahead and come back. Try to do another jump. See if you can nail this one. All right, I'm waiting. This is what the hobby is all about, man. Like I said in the last video, getting your friend into it, we can come out and enjoy it, do something different. Oh, that was a nice one. Go.
Nice.